Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva to edit pictures. First, open Canva and choose to create a new design or select an existing project. Next, you'll want to upload your image. You can easily drag and drop your picture from your computer directly onto the Canva canvas. This simple step gets your photo ready for all the exciting edits we're about to explore, making it super easy to begin your creative journey. Once your photo is on the canvas, click on it to reveal the Edit Photo panel. Here, you'll find essential tools to enhance your image. You can easily adjust the brightness to lighten or darken your photo, tweak the contrast for more definition, and modify saturation to make colors pop. Don't forget to crop or resize your picture to achieve the perfect composition for your design, giving you full control over its appearance. Canva offers a fantastic selection of filters to instantly transform your photo's mood. Simply browse through the options and click to apply them, seeing the changes in real time. Beyond filters, you can add cool effects like blurring parts of your image or even using the background remover tool to isolate your subject. Playing around with these features allows you to discover unique styles and truly personalize your picture with just a few clicks. For more advanced edits, Canva provides powerful tools like Smart Mockups, which places your design onto realistic product images, or Magic Edit for precise adjustments. You can also layer text, shapes, and other graphic elements to create a truly unique composition. Once you're happy with your masterpiece, easily download your edited picture in high quality. Choose from formats like PNG for transparency or JPG for smaller file sizes, ready to share with the world.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.